Yes, sir. It's your boy B Hayes back with another one, guys. Let's go and jump right into it. Before we do that, watch out for spam, WhatsApp in the comments down below. Feel free to join VIP to be alert and never get in and out of plays. Also, get your free stock from down below as well. So, going into next week, guys, let's get ready to prepare for an awesome week. I do believe, something about next week is just smelling like money, guys. So that's not the overhyped things. That's not the, do none of that. That's just calling it how I see it, calling it how I feel it. Only thing I can do is be my authentic self and show up how I show up. Real, raw, uncut content. So let's go ahead and take a look at it, guys, see what's going on next week, guys. All I know is a lot of people is about to make a lot of money. I'm going to make some people become millionaires. Some people may even become millionaires before me. I'm fine with that. I'm cool with that, guys. That's one thing about it, guys. It's always going to be somebody doing better than you. It's going to be somebody being worse than you. The only job you have to do and to make your life so much easier is just try to outperform the person you was the day before, or try to outdo that person. Just outdo yourself. That way, you realize, it ain't no competition. You on a highway that's just open road. You can go as fast as you want to go. You could slow down. You could take a break. You could stop. You could do whatever, guys, but as long as you keep going, understand it's a marathon. But anyways, that's a conversation for another day. Let's keep the video rolling. Take a look at AMC, couple stocks, share our opinion going into tomorrow, guys. So we know Friday ended off on a weird note. Most people didn't expect that to happen. Like I say, guys, I didn't expect it either due to the data. Of course, I'm always prepared for whatever to happen. But due to the data that was put out, the interest rates steady going up, they trying to help tame inflation, get that cooled down, which, like I told you guys, they just throwing out little things now just to try and shake up the market a bit, because inflation has came down, housing market came down, gas came down, used car market prices came down. It have came down. And interest rates, they're trying to say that they don't believe it's going to come down. They believe they're going to have to keep doing this. That in return is going to put fear in the market. But I'm telling you here, right now, they is going to be less aggressive with hiking interest rates before this year is out. And it's not going to be, they're going to pull back on it, because consumers isn't going to be able to consume how they were before. Right now it's picking up a bit because tax time and all that, but if they want to keep the world in balance, they're going to have to, pull back those prices as well as interest rates, guys. So, of course, over time, it's going to continue to go up, but I don't believe things are going to, be as high as they were. And they already currently aren't. Things is coming down. So, let's go and take a look at it. We call some bangers out in VIP, guys. Definitely want to, be up on that. Calling out bangers after bangers. We called out Amazon on Friday. We already up in that position, guys. Looking to run up some more in pre-market. I'm already sitting up $220 for that position. Looking to make a couple thousand, maybe 1,000, maybe 2,000. AMC, who alerted that as well, guys. We ended at 658, up over 8.2% on Friday. I'm up just $75 in that position. Nice 75. I ain't gonna say just 75. It don't matter, guys. All money, good money. Like I told you guys, my first time making money in the stock market, over half a decade ago, I made $5, and I was tickled, happy, because I know if I made 5, I can make 50. Then I made 50. I know if I can make 50, I can make 500. And I made 500. I know if I can make 500, I can make 5,000. Then I made 5,000. I knew if I can make 5,000, I can make 50,000. And I made 50,000. I ain't make it all in one smack, in one trade, the ones prior I did, but that's coming in one smack. The best we did now up in this point is $10,000, $11,000, $12,000 in one trade, up in that range. And we did it off AMC recently, not too long ago. But anyways, and we're gonna do it again. But anyways, guys, going into tomorrow, it do like the market is ready to push up significantly, even if it's just for a short period of time. I do believe it could catch people off guard, because a lot of things isn't making sense right now, and I love it when it don't make sense, because that's when it make the most sense to me. Like we know, guys, a lot of people is moved off news and speculation. As soon as they hear, oh, Tesla Investors Day, this, that, and third, see how everybody was betting on it, counting on it to go up. What Hayes did, Hayes shorted it, betted against it at 208, all the way down to 185, exactly where I said it would come down to in VIP. And expected to go a little lower, but who cares? It came down to our price target, sold for $2,000 profit. Then the day before that, sold for $1,500 profit when it came from the 2s down to 103. And so anyways, we're going to do the same thing next week. Who knows, though? It all depends on the price action, what I got going on in front of me. So I'm not going to speak ahead of it. I'm just going to, you'll know when you know, in VIP, guys. So you already know, though, going into tomorrow, let's go and prepare ourselves, guys, you know, for some nice calls. And then right after those calls, we coming right behind them with the puts. You already know what to do. Edge Boy on Instagram at the B Hayes Show. I love y'all. We out. God bless y'all. Hit me up for a phone call, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, and we go.